quick note about settings. There's not a whole lot you need to worry about on settings. One thing that I would suggest doing is when you're inside of the Creo server, go to the top, pull down, and go to notification settings. Now, this is your preference, depending on how many notifications you do want to receive, if you want to stay in the loop with everything or nothing. But this is an important area to know. You can you can mute our server, so you won't get any notifications. You can include all messages as notifications. I would highly advise against doing that, because that means every single time somebody chats, you will get a message. I typically do like the default of only at mentions, meaning if someone mentions you as an individual or any roles that you have inside of the server, you'll get a notification. Yeah, that's about it for notifications, but that's very important. So we'll go down here. So if you go down here, you can change your user profile, you can change your avatar, you can change your background, banner, color, colors. This is their subscription. You don't have to worry about that right now. You can add a little about me section. But I think that's it.